Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I continue the process of making women's winter jackets yesterday. The video above, if you haven't had time to watch it, please click on the video above. In this video I will give you an easy way to make a jacket hand pattern. First we take a straight line first, then we give a size of 10 centimeters and above. Yes. We measure the curve of the front hand first. Yes, we have got the size 28 centimeters. Then we input the size earlier into the cloth by measuring it slightly in an indentation to the size of 9 centimeters earlier, then give a sign. Then measure straight so that it can be sized 25 centimeters. Next, we measure the length of the hand, 58 centimeters, give me a sign. And give me a straight line. Then the picture is below. We are a picture of fucking a little round, so it forms the hands of the hand. Then the one on the top line, we will make the width equal to the line below 25 centimeters. Then take from the midpoint 16 centimeters. Next take a straight line from the 16 centimeters point to the bottom end so that it becomes a slanted line. Next, we give the size for the line drawing, 10 centimeters from the beginning to the bottom, 9 centimeters. I'll take it in the middle and later take it from the side of the cloth and make the size the same. Then draw a straight line from the midpoint to the side. Next, we cut the one with the slashed line in the top and bottom curves. Then we fold it. Don't forget to hit the cloth again so that the image is copied to the bottom cloth. Then we cut it according to the upper shape. And finish making the hand pattern. For the pattern on the other hand, just copy it, right? Next we make a combination of hand stitches where the width is the same as the width of the upper hand and the height is 6 centimeters. We make 1 pair. Then we make a collar pattern. We define the bottom line first where the width is 31 centimeters and at the starting point we increase it by 3 centimeters. Draw the line slightly curved. Then determine the top line by measuring the height of 12 centimeters, then the line is slightly sloping upwards. For the width, we have the same size as those below 31 centimeters. This is for the half width of the collar. Yes, then we cut the line. Then we fold and cut it according to its shape. Then we make a pattern for the headgear. We make the next pattern first. We take the bottom size 26 centimeters. The curved line up is about 3 centimeters up. Then the height is 35 centimeters. Then take a straight line and then shape it a little round down to the 26 centimeters point earlier. Then cut following the line drawing. For the couple of hoods we are the same as the pattern with what we cut before. The next thing is to load the pocket mouth, where the size is 6 centimeters by 22 centimeters for 1 pair. Okay, everything is ready to make the pattern. The next thing to do is to sew. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video I will give you how to sew NYA. See you.